Take a photo. Hello there, this is Ryan back again with another video. This one's on birds.
Yeah.
And I've just got this is a hand-reared budgie. These will absolutely torture you, so I'm going to show you how to tame a budgie if it's not hand-reared. Right, because that's what we need to do. Wait there.
Thing here.
Right, so if you can see it on my arm, I'm going to put my other hand. Oh yeah, I'm going to try and get it to talk for you guys. Hello. 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 Oh, it won't do it. Hello. 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 Oh yeah. Come on. Give a little stroke on the head. Good girl. Likes it, look. Oh yeah. Come on then. Hello. Stroke. Oh, hello. This one can't fly. So basically, just keep doing this all the time.
It tries to fly.
It's true. And as soon as it'll fly, it'll land on you. Now watch this. It likes to just, it'll go on my shoulder, like if I let it, you know what I mean. Now watch. Putting the hand up again. We've been thinking with birds anyway since we were babies because we've always had birds. Another stroke. Oh, oh, oh. It's only a little baby chick. Starting to get your feathers, aren't you? Yeah. Now what you want to do is dominate it, right, like this. Put it on your shoulder, wait, don't let it go. Just keep stroking it, don't hold it too tight, just keep stroking it like that.
Can't see the bird.
Can you now?
Move this hand. Yeah.
Just stroking, whoa. Just, loves that. See how its feathers are going up, loves that, absolutely. Find its head, where's its head? There, loves it.
Yeah, man.
Now, grab it like that.
Beast, man. Little baby.
Just keep
budgie.
stroking it like that. Just
all
dominate it
green,
because it's
yellow and shit. Making a video for the YouTube channel, don't tell Nana.
Shut up, dog. Just take the dog out quick so we'll get the bird.
Pass out.
So,
How much fuck off?
just tame it like this. Keep taming it, just keep stroking it, messing about. Hello. Hello there. Hello there. There, stop. Hello. Hello there. Come on in.
Sometimes it squeaks a little.
Hello. 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 Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good boy. Oh yeah. So this is a cock bird, which means it's a male. You get a
which means it's absolutely mental.
These are gonna fucking torture you because they're being raised around humans. Look, it just loves them. And it wants to
the tame is bloody.
They want to be out all the time. Stroke back. Where's its head? Where's its head? There. Put its head down. Let me stroke it. Oh, come on. Hello. Try and increase so it has to try and fly. What?
It's the end of the video almost.
Sorry. Well, it's going to be the end of the video now. So it's been on budgie taming. Brilliant. I'll see you in a bit.
Stop.